Sham, you can go ahead.
So good morning all. Today we'll be talking about our project, the ACE at Perungudi OMR. And before we talk about the our project, we would just give you a brief on the company. So our company name is Riceland, and Riceland basically a global developer. We have projects across the globe. Like we have in US we have 3 projects. Then we have in New Zealand, Thailand, Indonesia, India, and we are exploring UK and Australia. Very soon we'll be there. So almost 10 projects across the globe. Talking about India, we came in 2017, and India we have 3 projects. One we have in Delhi. The project name is Sky Mansion at Chhatarpur. Then we have in Mumbai, that is Thane, and it's amazing project that is the Icon, and the Ace in Perungudi OMR. And this is our first South Indian project in Chennai, and we'll be talking in details. So we can go to the next slide. Yeah, so you would talk about the brand introduction, which already we have given it. Then we'll be talking about Perungudi, and then project details. The next slide, Sajid. Yeah, so as introduced, and these are the projects we have: Sky Mansion Delhi, then Icon, United States, we have Skyline Tower, Legacy Garden, and New Zealand, we have the project name is Neo, then Artisan Rachada at Thailand, and yeah, that's okay. And then we'll be talking about Perungudi. So why did we choose Perungudi? Next slide. Yeah, next. Yeah, so we all know about Perungudi, and Perungudi is we can say that this is the gateway to the Silicon Valley, and one of the most preferred location right now in comparing to other part of OMR. Why? Because it is very close to the old CBD, that is Adyar. It is close to Gindi, Mylapore, and somebody looking at a property at Adyar, Mylapore, or nearby locations, the affordability has become so high. So when you buy a property, you almost buy in 15, 18,000 per square feet. So just traveling 10 to 15 minutes towards Taramani or Perungudi, which is just 10 kilometers away, not maximum 10 kilometers away, the price you would buy almost half of the cost. So most of clients, they have started preferring Perungudi, as Perungudi, the gateway to Silicon Valley. Any IT park you want to connect in OMR, you have to go through Perungudi. And if you see right now, the kind of infrastructure growth we have in and around Perungudi, we have 7 IT parks under making, where we have DLF has confirmed a project, that is DLF downtown, close to American International School, that is near Taramani. Then we have the upcoming World Trade Center, which is at Perungudi, very close to the toll plaza. And we also have Ramanujan Phase 2, which is almost done. By next year or within a year or two, it will start operating there. So we have from these 3 IT parks, we are almost, we can expect at least 70,000 employees they'll be working. I'm talking about new employees, because OMR already has 8 to 9 lakhs of IT jobs. Apart from that, PT Road, which is Pallavaram Tharaipakam Road, a adjacent connecting road to OMR, has 4 new IT parks. Embassy Tech Park, which is phase 1 is done, phase 2 they are doing it right now. Ascendas is moving to PT Road. Then we have Raheja coming with a common zone there. So there are almost 3 to 4 IT parks there from PT Road, which is in a vicinity of 10 to 15 minutes from Perungudi. So from that location, we can expect at least 80, 90,000 of people or new jobs in market within next two and a half year. So combining all this, at least by next 2.5 years, we'll have at least 1.5 lakh to 2 lakh new jobs in market, apart from the existing job we have. And what is happening in OMR? OMR, we have the metro has got confirmed. The geotechnical work is over, where this is going to be the phase two and fourth corridor, that is OMR, and where if you see the image in the right hand side top, this is how exactly the OMR metro will be. On the existing road, we have the first layer where we call it as elevated corridor. So on the first layer, somebody is traveling long, starting from Madhya Kailash to Sirusari. They need not go by the general traffic. They can go by the first layer where you can travel very fast, and normally it takes one, almost 1 hour to reach Sirusari. But if you go by the upper layer, you'll be reaching by 20-25 minutes. And the top layer, we have metro coming up. And this is really going huge because, phase one is already done. So this is phase two, and very successful it is going on. The fund has been allocated, and, plan has been sanctioned. So now it is the execution part is happening. And there are so many, if you see the recent news now, there are, commercial thing, Walmart is looking for, commercial, space in Chennai that is close to OMR. And there are so many changes that are happening after, this lockdown has started. So we have huge growth in and around OMR and nearby, Perengudi. And also Perengudi and the OMR, they almost contribute 30% of GDP to Chennai's entire GDP. That is why every builder and every buyer has got a focus on OMR and close to Perengudi and nearby locations. Next slide. Yeah, so we'll talk about the project. So project location and neighborhood. Why did we choose Perengudi? We already have spoken. As Perengudi is one of the hinge location where on the map we can see that we are well connected to OMR road. We are also well connected to PT road, which is very close by. And ECR from OMR road, it is 2.5 kilometers. So reaching ECR is very easy, as the PT road is getting extended, that is already proposed. And via PT road, we can connect to GST road, which is, again, one of the major road in Tamil Nadu, or I would say Chennai. So through which we can reach international airport. And the existing infrastructure, what we have, talking about schools, Sri Chaitanya Techno School, one of the very top school in Chennai, which is very close to our project, just opposite to our project. BBM school, 1 minute walk from our project. American International School, just 5 kilometers, so 10 to 12 minutes we can reach. Indian Public School, which is close to Perengudi Toll Plaza, that is also very nearby. Colleges, we have DV Jain College, Tangavili College, we have. Then, Mr. Mehta, Dr. Mehta, Pharmaceutical College we have. Then we have IT parks. Chennai one is very close by, around 350 meters. RMZ Millennium, very close by. Global Info City, 3.5 kilometers. Tidal Park, almost 4 kilometers. Recreation, we have AKDR Golf Club, BJP Theme Park, which is an ECR. And talking about mall, we have BSR Mall, which has got activated now. And very soon, there will be 6 multiplexes coming up where we have Cinepolis is going to take it up. Then we have Brigade Vintage Mall, where we have, Decathlon and other, stuff. Then we have Phoenix Mall, which is one of the biggest mall in Chennai, and which is 15 to 20 minutes from our site. Talking about, hotels, yes, we have a Holiday Inn very close by. Korea Hotel we have. And other hotels, there are many, hotels on OMR. Yeah, next, we can move to the next slide. Yeah. So just to brief you on the project from the main OMR road, it is hardly 300 meters. So how do we reach our project? If you're coming from Taramani, after crossing Perengudi toll, immediate first right, that is known as Corporation Road. So Corporation Road is the approach road for our project. So from main OMR road, within hardly few seconds, we can reach our project. That is 350 meters. And if you're coming from Thuraipakam, exactly after crossing Curie Hospital, immediate left. So before the toll, left. And we can see the elevation. This is how the project looks like. So where the total land area will be 4.27 acre, and total build-up area given in square feet, which is beyond 8 lakh square feet, and sellable area will be around 7 lakh something. And we have a huge OSR park which is beyond 18,000 square feet, and we have tried achieving 3.5 FSI. Height limit will be 60 meter, where we have basement, steel, and 19 floors, 4 towers, tower A, B, C, and D, and total number of units will be 557 units. So A, B, and C are quite identical towers where we have bigger 2 and 3 BHK. So number of 2 BHK we have almost 70 plus, in each tower, and 70 and odd we have 3 BHK. And D tower happens to be smart condo where we have all smart units. Like we have 1 BHK around 600 square feet, then 2 BHK compact, or we call it a smart unit, which is around 867 to 869, and 3 BHK, which is 1005 square feet. All three units, this configuration will be in D tower. Somebody looking at a bigger unit, 2 BHK will be ranging from 1128 to 1251, which is bigger 2 BHK, and 3 BHK from 1627 to 1766. All these units will be available at A, B, and C tower. And when we tried, we'll try sharing the latest pictures. These are the pictures where we did the Bhumi Puja, but now we are at podium level right now for C tower, and this is the master plan. So when we are coming from on the exactly left hand side corner, if you see there is entry and exit. So you are entering from the main OMR road, and the entry and exit, that road is the corporation road. So from corporation road, when you are entering to the project, initially we'll have the OSR part, which is on the right hand side. Yes, and the first tower will be tower A, then tower B, tower C, and tower D. So entire land area we have spoke as 4.27 acre. There is a huge podium which is connected to all the towers. So every extreme corner of A, B, C tower will have 3 BHKs, and in between we have 2 BHKs. Then we have tower D, which we are talking about. The western side of the tower D, we will have 1 BHK, and eastern side we have 2 and 3 BHK, and 40 to 50% of our units are sea-facing units, because if you see the eastern side where the OSR park area is shown here, we have highlighted. This part of the project will be open to the sea area. So where clients will have wonderful view from 10th floor onwards, we will have wonderful sea view from our project. And the project entry will be south. Northern side, you will have view of Gindi National Park. Western side, we will have the Palikarnai Lake. And this is how exactly the elevation looks like. Yeah, we can go to the next slide. Sajid, we can move to the next slide. Sajid? Sajid, can you go to the next slide? Am I audible? Yeah, so this is exactly the floor plan is. We call it as a typical floor plan, where this floor plan is for tower ABC. If you see in the bottom right, we have highlighted the towers, which is in the sky blue color. So all these tower where we have extreme corners are 3 BHK, like unit number 1, 4, 5, and 8 is 3 BHK, which is ranging from 1627, 1628, 1723, 1733. It depends. Few floors we have bigger size apartments like 1756, 1766. And unit number 2, 3, 6, and 7 are 2 BHKs, which is ranging from 1184, it goes up to 1251. So if you see in the eastern part, all the balconies, master bedroom windows, your utility, kitchen utility is open towards the sea. So you'll have wonderful view from the 10th floor, you'll have wonderful view, as well as even lower floor also, you'll have wonderful view of the garden, and OMR and close to ECR, you'll have the view. Yeah, and this is plan for D tower, where in the western side we have all two corner will be 1 BHK. It is very hard to get a corner unit as a 1 BHK. So we have 1 BHK, which is the balconies will be either in the southern side or northern side. And then front part where we have 3 BHKs, 1000 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2 toilets. All the balconies, bedrooms are open towards the amenities. and you'll have a wonderful view of the sea from 10th floor. And your unit number 5 and 4 will be compact 2 BHK, or you can call it as smart unit, 869 square feet. So this is how the floor plan will be. And we'll be sending you the individual floor plan as well. And these are the amenities we have. So the placement of amenities we have, we have numbered it as guest suite we have. So there are 3 guest rooms we have. So any festival time, or suddenly somebody comes to your home, you don't have to lose your privacy. They can use the guest room. We have a jamming room, which is a very unique amenity, which is not to be seen in Chennai. A soundproof room where client can use their musical instruments. They can play their musical instruments there, and it is soundproof, so people who are sitting outside will not be disturbed. We have a yoga room, which is highlighted, the number 3. Then we have kids gym. Kids gym is one of the unique amenity in our project, where kids are getting a gym. So where it is not about weightlifting and all, but the motto is to bring the kids from gadget mode to physical mode. Kids are more glued into television, iPad, mobile and all. So what we have done, you have been to shopping malls. So you would have seen the kids play area. Same kind of kids play area we have. Wall climber, ball pool, puzzle game, running around. So all these are done on a spongy material. So they are even falling also, nothing will happen. Then we have a dance studio next to the yoga room. So people who are do dancing, or good at dancing, they can use that room. We have adult gym, which is highlighted at Tower C. Then we have adult swimming pool, which is huge. We call it as semi-Olympic, like 85 by 45. Then we have toddler pool next to the adult swimming pool. Indoor games room we have with all sort of high class indoor games. Multi-purpose hall, and there is a small chit chat hall in the Tower D, where it can be small meeting or conference, or cake cutting ceremony, or your friends are coming home. You can sit and talk. That can be used. Then we have sand pit, which is very unique. Then we have multi-purpose hall, that is at Tower C. Children's play area also, which is at the OSR Park, for 1,500 square feet kids play area, which is done on a EPDM floor mat with high plastic material quality. So quality is something which is not compromised in any part of the project. Then we have children's play area, that is B, that is highlighted at next to the swimming pool area. Then we have sit out and gazebo, water features, jogging track, which is in the western side, highlighted, dark color. So that is number 18. So these are the amenities. And every amenities, it takes your physical involvement. We don't have anything which gives you boredom. And yes, so these are the highlighted area, the areas in square feet. You can see the area in square feet and the number of amenities we have. And talking about specifications, yeah, let's talk about the amenities, convenience, and security. We have video on intercom for every unit. So from the lobby of every tower, we have a video intercom connected to every home. So from your inside your home, you'll have video door phone. We have lift, high speed lifts we have. Then we have 24/7 power backup. We also have power backup for individual homes. For ABC tower, we give 1.5 kV of power backup, and tower D we give 1 kV of power backup. Then we have car parking, and we have water features. Gazebo we have spoke about. Piped gas, we are doing the provision for piped gas. And once the project is handed over, then we can talk to the association and do the arrangement. We have security cabin. Then we have a huge double ceiling entrance lobby we have, which will be we'll be seeing it now. And talking about specification, vitrified tiles, which is we have used Somani tile, which is one of the top brand when it comes to tiling. And if you see the door brand, that is teak veneer flush door, laminated flush door for internal doors, electricals, which is Panasonic. We have used Legrand and Panasonic. Then CP sanitary fittings is Kohler. There are multiple brands used in most of projects, but here there is one brand committed, then we don't change it. So once committed is committed, and there is no change in brand. And we have tried using the A-class material, inside our apartments. Next. So this is the security features what we have inside. So, sorry, there are few, we have mentioned it, but those are not available. But I'll just, we can see the picture here where we have video intercom inside. Once you are entering inside the home, close to the entry door, we'll have the video door phone. We'll be seeing a model apartment, walkthrough. Video I'll be taking you through. We also have smart lighting control switches, and not to forget the three-in-one smart lock door, which is in the main door. So while you are entering to your house, while opening your main door comes with three-in-one locking system, a manual key, a number code, and access card. Then we have smart lighting control, which we spoke about. We have night lights, foot lamps, like small kids or elderly people, they are using bathroom in the night, and the room light is not on. Then they can be guided towards toilet by the foot lamp. And we have smart camera inside. Not to lose the privacy, we have given the smart camera inside for security feature for your security and loved ones security. So what you do, the entire control will be in your hand. You can switch it on, switch it off whenever you want it. So it can be customized that way. Next, yes. And for the first time in India, we have tried using super engineering technology. I hope you would have heard about Maivan. So Maivan actually is a company name, but the technology they use is called aluminum formwork. So most of our Chennai builders, we have started using aluminum formwork, but that is the only technique we mostly using in Chennai. But what happens in super engineering? Super engineering is a packaged methodology of, you know, international construction techniques, where aluminum formwork is the only one technique which is mostly used here. But we have tried using 5 to 6 other techniques like flow water interception. Then we have triple layer of waterproofing, cast in C2 option is there, drip lines, and this kind of 4 to 5, which will be sharing the link to you, a video on a super engineering technology. So what happens because of that, you get an extremely superior home where majorly the maintenance thing is taken care of, because rainwater pouring inside, there are crack on the wall, hollowing inside. These are the things which it kills our day to day peace in life. So what we have taken care of, leakage prevention, safety measures are taken care of, crafted interior space, because the finishing is so accurate, even a millimeter is taken care of. So you won't be losing out the usable space. Highly durable walls, because entire wall, inner wall, entire home, entire project will be of concrete. And we also call it as environmental friendly, because we have used less, we have used no wood at all, because there is no requirement of wood at all. Sand and water also used very less. We can call it as green building. We have not extracted more natural resources. And we'll be talking about in details. We can send you the videos also. Next section, multi-level landscape, where these are the few existing landscape photographs of our project. It's a villa project we have in Thailand, Lake Siren. This is how exactly the project looks like. So these are the real pictures, how the landscape is done. Same kind of landscape we have in Chennai. We'll be sending the photographs to you. And multi-layer landscape, where we have tried using those plants and trees inside which can sustain Chennai's climate, because Chennai happens to be a little humid and hot. To sustain, we have tried using those which stays green throughout the year, and you can enjoy the greenery throughout the year. Yes. So these are the real pictures. And reason why you should buy apartment in the Ace. First thing, we spoke about the location, that is Perungudi. So one of the hinge location where in proximity we have IT parks, we have central business district. Like what we call is as, what is CBD is where you have so much of revenue getting, maximum revenue getting generated, and the GDP is contributed more. So that is called Central Business District. And Taramani, Perungudi and nearby locations, that is referred as the new CBD. And we have so many government offices too in Taramani, and we also have in Perungudi, Tirvanmur beaches, that is close by. So we reaching ECR also very close by, PT Road very close by, OMR is, few seconds we can reach OMR from our project. we are getting metro, we have three MRTS, which is new. And not, talking about, IT, we already have spoken about, the kind of, infrastructure coming up now. Civic infrastructure, we already have spoken about. Schools, Chaitanya School, American International School, BVM School, then Indian public school, division colleges on, there are colleges. Intelligent living, because we call our homes as futuristic home, because these are the features which is missing in most of the project in Chennai. I'm not demeaning anybody, but if you see, go and compare the projects, these are the features which is given by Raislan in our ACE project, which is a by default, specification for us, and we don't charge anything for it. A 3-in-1 smart door lock, which is by default for a 1 BHK or a 3 BHK. Any unit you buy in ACE, you get these features. Video intercom, that's a standard delivery for us. Yeah, then we have, we are talking about the smart home features. Super engineering technology, yes, the techniques what we have used is very, very unique and highly durable and very, very fast. Even we are faster, I would say 1.5 times faster than my one. Enchanting landscape garden. So this kind of garden mostly you would see in 3-star, 5-star hotel, or projects in US, Singapore, Malaysia, and all. That kind of multi-level landscape we have tried bringing to our project, and amenities which is very, very thoughtfully, designed, and we have given, so that you feel active and it is contributing to your day-to-day life. And return on investment, the average, yeah, the average compounded annual growth and price accounted to 5%. The current rental growth rate is 7 to 8% in Perengudi. So talking about, the rental, return on investment is going to be huge, because the building average building life for our project is 100 years. It's a concrete building, earthquake resistant structure. So the kind of, planning is done, the ergonomic is done, the kind of effort will have wonderful return on investment, because it is exactly on the, sharing the individual screens to you, like floor plans to you, so where you can go through it, and any doubts we are just a phone call away. Sajid, we can go one by one,
Yeah,
from the main door perhaps.
we can make it fast, Sam.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm, Yeah,
Yeah, so this is a main door where it comes with a 3-in-1 locking system, number code, access card, and manual key. And this is the video, video intercom we have. Then smart lighting control we have, where you can control your lighting from, inside. You have a smart camera where the control will be in your hand. So you want to record something inside the house. Your elderly parents are there, kids are there. So you have to check whether they are healthy, safe, and whether the housemaid is taking care of now. Those things can be recorded. You want to switch it off, you can switch it off. This is a living area. This is how exactly it looks like. The flooring will be so many tile. We give you LED lights and false ceiling on the living area. We also have fire sprinkler, which will be able to see when you're visiting the model flat. So this is how the finishing, but the lighting and all the bigger lights which is hanging on the roof, those lights and wood things are not given. That is not part of the standard delivery. So this is how the finishing will be: the wall finishing, the door, the flooring.
false ceiling.
Yeah, the false ceiling is done. This is the passage where you'll be going towards the master bedroom. Yeah, so this is the bathroom finishing, where all our toilets are wall mounted. So what happens because of wall mounted? My flushing is happening in the side wall, so it is not making noise when I'm flushing it. Sorry, apart from that, you can clean the floor very easily. The dead zone part is not there because my closet is not connected to the floor, so I can, there is a gap created, I can clean it. And all our fittings are Kohler, and this is how the bathroom fittings will be. And if you see the bathroom exhaust, we have already given pre-fitted exhaust and LED lights with aluminum ceiling inside. And this is kitchen. So kitchen where the chimney and wood things are not given. Sorry. So this is the second bedroom. And sorry. So this is the kitchen where you'll have the kitchen counter will be given and the woodwork is not done, but the flooring, the dado tiles for 2 feet will be done with all the fittings, Kohler fittings. And this is the master bedroom. Sorry, master bathroom. So where you have exactly the fittings, what you see, you can see the wall exhaust, the aluminum ceiling. We have Kohler fittings, openable window, anti-skid tiles, wall-mounted toilet. This is the master bedroom. So where we have, not only the living areas, even the bedrooms are, we are doing false ceiling with, the flooring will be so many tiles with high-class materials. We have, sliding windows. So this is how it will look like. And the space is used very, very, intelligently, where there are tucked-in cupboards. So the cupboards can be planned in such a way, it completely looks packed, compact. Sorry, it's very nicely done. So you have more usable space inside.
That's it. That's the picture.
Yeah. And if you can play the video. Any query on the product, sir? Anything that you would like to clarify?
Pricing and the offers, which we need to discuss.
Sure, sir. So, sir, our base price is 7950 because why the pricing was decided, if you see in Perengudi, the offering is happening from 75 to 83, sir. There are people who are on bang on OMR road. They are selling at 81, 82, 83. And there are people who are little away, 400, 500 meters inside. They're selling at 7,000, 7,200, 300, 400. And our base price is 7950, which is the launch price. As we have not, launched our project yet. It was scheduled, last month, but because of COVID, we had to postpone it. Might be once things are getting normal, we'll, we'll plan for the launching. So the launch price will be 7950. But as of now, the offer what we have a pre-booking offer going on.